म्हजें नांव एडवोकेट पुंडलीक रायकर. हांव बानूंक रिप्रेझेंट करतां. बानून केन्ना तें 19 तारखेर आमी 19 एप्रिलाची कंप्लेन केल्ली टू CRZ saying that illegal construction is being carried out on the beach. Now certain fundamental points are there. Of course, part of the matter to restrain him, they have gone to the court just to restrain him. So understand that what is presently subsidies is not the matter pertaining to construction, but only to restrain some individuals, which is frivolous. And now even that judge has recused himself from the case. So I don't want to go into the case part of it. But so far as आमी जे पळय आज आयल्या पळय न्ही, हें हियरींग आसा ती ओरिजिनली इट वॉज शेड्यूल्ड ऑन 6th of this month. कितें 6थार जेन्ना ते आयले तेन्ना म्हणपाक लागले 6थार कितें कोविडाक लागून पोस्टपोन केलें. आनी आज परत येत जाल्यार परत म्हणटा तो कोण चेअरमॅन आसा तो कोवीड ड्युटीक गेला, सो ताका लागून तो येवंक शकना. Now fundamental point is this, that somebody is doing an illegal construction on the beach. And why do I say it is illegal? कित्याक म्हणटा illegal? Illegal because first and foremost जंय पळय तो construction करता that portion is not part of his property. Second, that is the public beach. आनी कोण म्हणटाय? आमी म्हणना. Of course it's a public beach, but their own expert member says that that is a public beach. It says that beyond the retaining wall, see आतां कितें जालां थंय, ते कितें करता, ते कन्फ्युजन क्रिएट केलें तेणी कोणाक CRZ फुडें. आनी तें कन्फ्युजन कितें क्रिएट केलां की थंय 2 वॉली आसा म्हणून. एक न्ही 2 वॉल आसा. एक्चुअली थंय एकूच वॉल आसा, रिटेनिंग वॉल. आनी जी रिटेनिंग वॉल आसा पळय तेंची घडी ती आसतली बाउंड्री वॉलूय बी. बट they are now trying to say fabricating things and trying to through a fabricated process of creating evidence हांगा सांगता की एक लिनियर वॉल आसा म्हणून. आनी ती लिनियर वॉल तर पळोवंक गेल्यार न्ही आमचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा. आज फोटोग्राफ्स ना हांगा, वी कॅन गिव इट टू द प्रेस ऑफ 2017, 15, 14 जेन्ना एंटायर बीच वॉज अ क्लीन बीच, कांयच नाशिल्लें. सो ते दॅट इज अ इलिगॅलिटी. सेकंडली, सो फार एज हें चलना पळय न्ही, we've told the judge also that cannot sustain because ex parte is normally not given, in these circumstances cannot be given. But whatever it is going on. हांगा आतां जें पळयता पळय न्ही, इट इज ओनली डिले. Matters are only getting delayed आनी कांय ना. There is no case whatsoever. Illegal construction आसा तें cannot be sustained at all because पळय ते कॉन्क्रीट यूज करता. मेन कंडिशन तेंचें आशिल्लें पळय न्ही, तें पयलीं जें ओरिजिनल 2017 एक तांकां कितें तरी परमिशन दिलां, त्या परमिशना प्रमाणे कितें ते एक छज्जा घालूंक सोदताले, कॅन्टिलिवर घालूंक सोदताले ओवर द रिटेनिंग वॉल. त्या रिटेनिंग वॉलाक ते एका कॉन्क्रीट यूज करूंक सोदताले. तो कॉन्क्रीट यूज CRZन सांगलां कॅनॉट बी अलावड. ना तो तर इफ यू आर नॉट अलावड, हाव कॅन यू यूज कॉन्क्रीट ऑन द बीच नाव? एंटायर थिंग इज अ कॉन्क्रीट वर्क. Entire thing is a concrete work. It cannot be allowed. Only eco-friendly materials were to be used. And most importantly, construction is going on in a government land. Yeah, that's all.
The work is going on right now. By the next hearing, they will finish the work. The damage will already be done. What is the point? When the authority can easily issue a stay order right now, stop order till the next hearing. What is the problem to issue that? And why the continuous delay? With one more week delay, 3 weeks will have passed. Damage will be done tomorrow. Other hotels also will start doing the same wall in the middle of the beach. What is to stop them? We are local residents over there. We feel the pain. This is a business that is running over there. They shouldn't be doing such a thing. And the authorities are not supporting us when we have followed all due process. The local authorities also, Panchayat is not supporting us. The local MLA is not supporting us. They have not taken permission from these authorities. When will it stop such illegalities? That too now there's COVID, there was a cyclone. And now on top of this, all of us have to come and expose ourselves to all these offices. We don't appreciate.
Okay, Panchayat also has been against this thing?
Panchayat has not issued permission for this till date. 3.5 years, CRZ has given permission 3.5 years back. Till date, Panchayat has not issued permission to them. And neither is Panchayat taking any action against them.
And people are with you people? People are also opposing this thing? Local people?
This is the local fishermen, local residents, everybody is going on the beach and seeing. If you go and see on Facebook and all these things, videos are being circulated every 3 days about the illegalities that are happening.
How long this wall is?
This wall must be more than 300 meters. They have taken original permission 3.5 years back for 125 repair work. Repair is the main word. They have, whatever has been constructed looks like a new construction. It does not look like repair work is being done. Repair is like tomorrow I will say I am repairing my building and demolish the building and build a new one. It is not the same permission involved.
So when you are approaching the court,
We have already approached the court with a writ petition which was filed last week. Last week, and the government council has requested 4 weeks to take action regarding the same. And the next hearing is on 8th of June, but this is an urgent matter. They will finish the beach and the work by then.
My name is Colin Curry. I am one of the residents of Waingani Valley Residents Association. I am the president for that matter. At the side of me is Mr. Akash Margaonkar. Akash Margaonkar is one of our executive committee members also in the executive committee. We have been having a problem with regard to encroachments on the beach. Basically, that is what it is. We have also gone to they have taken us to court, in fact, the district court, where at a point in time, when without us being served, there was an interim order of injunction passed by the judge. That was quite all right. Subsequent to that, there were dates taken again, and then we came to the GCZMA. The GCZMA fixed a actual inspection on the beach, which was a joint inspection. Was served the notice by the panchayat, who have put a remark there that they refused to take the notice. Today turns around and says that we do not and we have not received the notice, that's why we have not come there for the inspection. Now the situation lies whereby the GCZMA issued them show cause notice, as well as a report was made, which very, very clearly has indicated the violations that have been done by. It is now today the third time that we have come to the GCZMA, and every time they have postponed and delayed the hearing matter. This is where the situation lies. We have also now filed a case in the High Court and requested the High Court to issue stop work notice, whereby the Advocate General and the senior advocate turned around and said, please give us 4 weeks. And an urgent matter like this, which is destruction of the beach and violation of the CRZ regulations, I don't see any reason why it should be delayed. It is an urgency that has to be taken.
but why the case has been delayed? Why?
The first excuse they gave us was that there was COVID, so we cannot do the hearing.
2 weeks.
Today, 2 weeks later, they have turned around and said the chairman is not available, so therefore we cannot have the hearing. Now
Again,
they
1 week
postponed it
delay.
to the 27th. We have requested just now, gone up to the GCZMA and requested them to issue a stop work notice,
Till
which
the
we are
next-
not wanting to
Till
do.
the next.
Till the next hearing.
Okay,
We are
still
not
the
saying that.
work is going on there.
Yes, work is going on there right
They
now
will
and has
finish
been
it.
going on all these
We
days,
will finish before the next.
non-stop.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मुर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.